Oh, you designed the box.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah. So I got to the point where I had to realize I'm trying to win this money, but am I winning it for my family? Am I winning it for myself? Because I'm taking all the risk. But my family, they the ones who gonna get hit the hardest if I can. Money. Mm. Thank you. Just wow. Thank you, Lamont, for opening up about that. Truly, truly a great share. I would now like to introduce and invite our newest member of the group to share his story. When y'all welcome, Nyamu. The floor is yours. Really happy to be here. So yeah, this week has been good. I did some custom shoes, some boots rather, and I was commissioned by an old friend. She wanted me to put her social club on there, so I did the symbolism and logos from the social club. A lot of red and black. Black Betty boot. Color the rose on there. It's really good. Everything really pops. I put a high gloss acrylic finisher so it shines. I did a running ink on the back of the boot. With BB, because it's called Beauty and Be Savages with their logo. And I even accented it with some accessories. I put a chain on the boot, kind of give it that savage look because they call themselves the Savages. So it's, something kind of trendy. It's kind of rocking. And yeah, then I even went ahead and spray painted the bottom of the boots red with an Angelus finisher that has Glitterlites in it. And, so it's kind of like she walking on Ruby. So I was really happy how they came out. The flavor is just amazing. It's just another solid piece that I did. So, yeah, this week was good. Yeah. So, I mean, honestly, this is a good testimony that if you focus on something, you dedicate yourself to something else, that addiction, you definitely beat it. So, you can't scratch lottery tickets if he's painting. I don't gamble. I'm sorry. I just know, this support group and thought I'd come check it out, share my story too. Oh, well, not that we're against supporting anyone, but this is Scratch Off Addicts Anonymous. Yeah, uh, hmm. I didn't give that a lot of thought. I just know in those kind of groups, people tend to listen, all right? So yeah, that's my story. Appreciate everybody listening. Who wants to go next? Fair enough, fair enough. No, man, is this a joke to you? No, I'm just telling a story, bro. What's that silly for? Gone through the stuff we've gone through, huh? You use your last dollars to buy a scratch off, hoping to get $50. You could have got an Arizona from the gas station easily. Some sour gummy worms, pack of gum, 4-pack for 25 cents, a newspaper, anything from a Dollar Tree. But nah, for that scratch off. You know what kind of pain that is? That you're trying to run that quarter across that ticket. You thirsty as hell because you didn't get that fruit punch in Arizona? I personally like fruit punch or the Arnold Palmer. I couldn't have either one because I bought a scratch off ticket. So I'm gonna tell you this one time only. Don't come in here playing. If you about this, be about it. If not, roll up out of here, go about your business, and don't ever come back. Because we trying to get right. And you coming across like it's a game. I don't want to have to come out of character, but don't test me. You understand me? I'm not playing. Plain and simple. Don't find out. God, dog, he hard in that sweater. I was expecting that kind of hostility from Newport over here. Looking like you about to buy lemon heads and $10 on pump 5, but you coming off real hostility in that Huxtable get up. Oh, so you still think it's funny? I'm just proud of how the boots came out. I think people are gonna love them when they watch the video. And I just, man, the boots came out good. Flavor's on there. I even used Angela's paint, which is like the best product you can use to customize shoes and boots, and my favorite product to use. Okay, that one was thirsty, but really love Angela's Direct. All right, well, let's keep the cross talking down to a minimum. We don't go any, the temperature's getting higher. There's been some confusion, but I think we can move on from it, and I'm sure we'll be taken care of next time. So let's all just try to relax, and no cross talking, no insulting. Let's move on. And Kenneth, I think it would be best if you share next. Cue the full house music. You know what? Oh! The hell? Hey man, I can't be part of groups of kind of weirdness like this. We're about to teleport to leave the room. Comment, like, subscribe. Play with me. And that has me bugging the hell out. Enjoy the video. Alright, so I've already sketched out all my imagery and I'm going over everything with my red acrylic color paint pen. And then I'm adding, of course, in white highlights on the imagery for the logo of the Beauty and Beast Savages. Next, I'm going to take a toothpick and my detail brush. I'm going to go in with Angela's Red for a darker shade of red to get some depth to all the images, so it bounces off the lighter shade of red from the acrylic paint pen. And of course, we're taking our toothpick again. We're going to add in all our highlights so everything bounces and has really good depth and shine to it. I'm going to start to outline my black paint pen, of course, to frame everything together. And I'm going to start to do some drip lines with the toothpick and Angela's flat black. And continue to outline. Next, on the back of the boots, I'm going to do B&B, and we're going to do silhouettes of running ink dripping down the back with Angela's flat black. Next, we stenciled out our Betty Boop and colored it with masking tape so I can airbrush it with red, so I have a nice red aura going around the imagery for our Betty Boop. Next, we're going to start the coloring Betty Boop with a combination of our acrylic paint pens, colors gold and brown. Of course, we're making a cocoa chocolate Betty Boop. And then we're doing our highlights with the red lips and of course the black hair as well with Angela's flat black. Next, I went ahead and took the boots outside to spray paint the soles with red spray paint from Krylon. Of course, I did it outside so it's nice and ventilated. And I got this red Angela's Glitterlites that I'm going to put on top so it has a nice finish to protect it and a good glitter effect. Simple strokes to go back and forth to really smooth out the glitters and let it dry. Once it's dry, it's going to glitter and shimmer really good in the light. Lastly, I wanted to add a nice accessory because this was for an event. So I took a chain and put it between two key rings and ran the key ring between the top laces of the boots on both boots and let the chain drape on the back for accessory.
Oh, you designed the box.
Yeah.
So,
It's way down. You can like dye the whole thing red if you want it.
oh, thank
Yep.
you.
Of course. And that chain, you can hang it on the front or the back, either way. And I put that glitter finish on the sole of that spray painter so I have a little glitter shimmer to it.
Okay. Oh, yes. Yes. Thank you.
Of course. Glad you like them.
Thank you. Thank you. I ain't even gonna show nobody. I'm gonna wait till, because everybody's showing it. I don't want to show nobody.
Okay.
I'm gonna wait till tomorrow when I put them in. This go in the back, right?
I mean, back or front, either way you want to hang them. Like whatever works better for you.
It'll be the back. Yep. Thank you.
My pleasure. We're about to teleport to leave the room. Comment, like, subscribe.